Manufacturers today are being asked to do more with fewer skilled people. When control panels are built in-house, it often means pulling engineers and technicians away from higher value work. And one mistake can shut down production, delay shipments, and cost thousands of dollars. For many teams, that's where the risk starts to outweigh the reward. That's why manufacturers turn to Sure Controls. We design and build UL-certified control panels, so internal teams can stay focused on running the operation, not chasing panel issues. We handle everything: design, component selection, UL compliance, and testing, so you don't have to worry. Build to print. Already have a design? We bring it to life exactly as specified. Reliable, UL certified, ready to run.